Mr. Joe Igbokwe, for over 6 years, getting to 8 years now, 6 to 8 years, Joe Igbokwe has been dragging Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and so many people as the sole people who are committing crimes, killings in Igbo land. I am surprised that Joe Igbokwe is now confused. He has now made a U-turn, saying that the 5 eastern governors are responsible for the killing in Igbo land. And he said if the southeastern governors want the killing in Igbo land to stop, that they know what to do. Follow me in this video while we unfold, another lies from these people saying that it is the Igbos that are killing the Igbos. Stay with me. The first person that made this statement was the incumbent governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Soludo. He said in the United States of America that 99.9% of the killings in Igbo land are carried out by the Igbos. And today, the Lagos APC chieftain Joe Igbokwe claims Igbo are behind Southeast killing, not herdsmen. Now, two prominent people I call them prominent people because whether you like it or not, Soludo is a well-known person in Igbo land, a governor for that matter. And this man, Joe Igbokwe, is also a well-known person because of the way he talked down things about Igbos, because of his support for the APC government, that from the beginning, Igbos were not part of the APC, people, right from the beginning. Now, Joe Igbokwe is saying that the killings in Igbo land are being carried out by Igbos. I want people to be neutral about all these things. Now, you might not like Joe Igbokwe, you might not like Soludo, but don't use that as a judgment to your own investigation. Because the reason why I'm saying this is that despite in every tribe, anywhere you go, you must see 1 or 2 people who commit crimes. But this is totally different from what we are saying now. We are talking about the foreign invaders, the terrorists who are invading not only in Igbo land, from across the country. Then the question here is, why is it that these people are very serious, are bent on saying that only Igbos are the people committing crime and the killings in Igbo land? Why are they making that statement? In Abuja, Gwagwanda, that area, the residents are not sleeping. From the north to the middle belt to the Federal Capital Territory to the south, everywhere, these terrorists are, parabolating and committing nuisance all over the country. But why is it that these 2 people choose to say that Igbos are the one committing it? Like I said before, I am not exonerating any tribe that there is a tribe that does not commit any crime at all. No, that is not the topic. The topic is all these killing, kidnapping, shootings in Igbo land, in Delta, in Edo, in Abuja, in everywhere. Who are the ones committing it? I'm going to take you to a little journey in this video for you to understand the reason why these people are making such statements. The truth is this: Igbos are not the major people who are committing this crime of killing in Igbo land. Never. Most of these people are hired assassins who are operating in Igbo land. We know all these people. Most of these people are ritualists. And these people, what they are doing is kidnapping. And this kidnapping is not the major crime we are talking about. Now, when it comes to the burning of houses, like what happened in Ebonyi State, what is going on in Ehamufu, what is going on in so many parts, I'm talking about where you can't even go to your farm again because of terrorists. These are the issue we are talking about. Other issue has been right from the beginning, right from the ages. There have been issue of, all this little kidnapping or, issue of ritualists. Or it has been. We are talking about the new problem at hand. People are ready to take over your communities. People are ready to take over your land. But someone that wants their favor. You see, people who are sponsoring these terrorists, anybody who wants their favor will never talk about, bad things about these terrorists. They will never indict these terrorists. They will never indict their identity. They will never come out and say, these terrorists are the ones doing it. You know why? The people who are saying it want the favor of their sponsors. Mind what I'm saying. The people who are bent in saying this, they want the favor of their sponsors. Now, let me take you back. Before now, it happens before everybody. And they said it was Nnamdi Kanu that is using his boys to kidnap in Igbo land. We all were here. We were telling them that, look at what these you people are saying does not exist. This is not true. This is not Nnamdi Kanu. This is not IPOB. But they refused. They went ahead. They said they want to proscribe IPOB, that once they are proscribed, they will go after them. Everything will end. We warned them. We told them no. It will not stop anything. Forget about what you people are saying. It will not stop it. They went ahead and proscribed IPOB. And after that, he said, we must arrest Nnamdi Kanu wherever he is. Let us look for him. Let us do this. Let us do that. I said, even though you killed Nnamdi Kanu, you can go ahead and kill him if you have what it takes to kill him, of which you won't be able to do that. But if you can kill him. This problem will multiply because he came because of the problem. He came for solution. And after that, they started saying, whether it's ESN or those, they started talking. After that, they take hold of Simon Ekpa. They started talking after that one. As I talk to you today, they are still looking for whom they are going to, say, you are the one doing it. They have not seen. They have not seen. They don't even know whom they are going to hold now. This is the issue. So if they will see someone that they will hold, like they say, oh, this is the head of, these Biafra agitators now, they will still transfer everything to the person. You understand? So that is why I'm saying that all these people who are saying it is Igbos that are doing all these things, killing Igbos, who are the terrorists, it's very important for us to understand their own side of the story. That these people want the favor of, the people in government. They want the favor of the APC government. I'm serious. Monitor their life, monitor their ambition, monitor where they are going. You will see that these people actually want the favor of APC. Now, let us go to our reporters to understand what Joe Igbokwe said and the reason why he made that statement. Now, he says, a chieftain of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC and former special advisor to the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu on drainage and water resources, Joe Igbokwe, has claimed that the killings in the southeast region of Nigeria are being carried out by the Igbo, not herdsmen. Igbokwe, who is from Anambra, made the claim in a Facebook post on Thursday, where he condemned what he described as blatant and pathological lies surrounding the unrest in the region. Yes, these people are not comfortable with most of the reports we do bring out. You see, most of my videos is a self-evidence. For example, now if I'm on live section, we are talking about the killings in Imo, or killings in Ebonyi, or killings in Enugu. You will see people will call them, people who are living in those areas. They will call them and they will say, look at what is going on. It's a self-evidence. The people are talking by themselves. So it will be very difficult for you to, say that what we are saying is not true. I know that these people are not comfortable with the reality on ground. They thought, they lied, it was Nnamdi Kanu, they lied, it was this, it was that, and the problem persists. Now, what they are asking them right now is, if these people, your people have been lying about, are the problem, the insecurity is supposed to have stopped. If Nnamdi Kanu was the problem, even if Simon Ekpa was the problem, if Wazurike was the problem, if this, if that was the problem, then I think holding the person is supposed to bring solution. That is where many people are getting it wrong because of, I belong to this faction, I belong to this party. That is why, as you see me, according to Buhari, I belongs to nobody and I'm for everybody. I don't say because if I say I belong to you, get ready. The truth I will say tomorrow might hurt you. Now, the article continues. According to him, the killings and the destructions are being carried out by fellow Igbos, not external aggressors. And this is what he wrote in quote. The blatant and pathological lies about the killings and destruction in the southeast can no longer stand. It is Igbo killing Igbo. It is Igbo destroying Igbo land and put the blame on Hausa Fulani herdsmen. This is not our culture. This is sad. Igbokwe claimed that the violence in the southeast was self-inflicted and one against hiding behind ethnic scapegoating. He alleged that southeast politicians has been using gunmen to win elections since 2015, and that they have been using them for other series of criminal and illegal activities. Now, at this point, Joe Igbokwe is not even calling IPOB again now. He has dragged IPOB, he called out Nnamdi Kanu, he lied against them for years. Now, he's now saying that it is the politicians in Igbo land who are carrying out all this crime through the people they sponsored, through the people they gave guns. All right, it continues. It says, since 2015, politicians in the southeast have been using these gunmen to win election. They use them to fight their opponents. They use them to settle family disputes. They use to grab other people's land. They use them as security personnel. They pay them, he alleged in another post. According to him, if the 5 Southeast governors want to end the killings and insecurity in the region, they should meet with President Bola Tinubu, play with him to direct the National Security Advisor Nuhu Ribadu on what to do, and the killing and insecurity in the Southeast will end immediately. What Joe Igbokwe wrote continues. What he wrote continues. Let me stop here. You know why I'm laughing? You see, it is getting done to everybody now. This is Joe Igbokwe who told everybody that it was Nnamdi Kanu that is killing people and destroying land. This was Joe Igbokwe who said it was Simon Ekpa. This was Joe Igbokwe who said it was this, it was that. I don't care what you think, okay? I don't care what you think. But I'm trying to talk reality out of issues. This is the same Joe Igbokwe today. The same Joe Igbokwe is telling you that it is the Southeast politicians. So, you see where everything is driving to. At the end, you people will realize that someone like Nnamdi Kanu was unjustly, detained, lied against, and so on and so forth. Very soon, it will clear in everybody's eyes. Let me know what you think about this. I am Okocha Happy myself.